Hi everyone! For my tools project, I decided to do MyCollab. During this presentation, I will be talking about how to use this tool, how it relates to project management, and some pros and cons that this tool has. MyCollab is a tool that can be very useful to project managers. It is an online project management software for agile teams with powerful features including Kanbans, tasks, Gantt charts, time tracking, and many more useful features, some that are also featured in Microsoft Project. This online software allows project managers to manage all project activities in one place. With this, you are able to receive automated email notifications and also share and keep track of your team's progress. When you first open up MyCollab, this page will show up. This is the dashboard page, and it shows a quick summary of your activities. On the right-hand side, it will show you what projects you have active, and just below that, it will show you your recent history. On the left-hand side, it will show you the phases of the timeline that you have going on for all projects, and it shows your unresolved tickets and overdue tickets. If you click on the Projects tab above, it will bring you to this page. It will show you all of the projects that you have, and it allows you to create new projects. Right now, there is only one project that I have on this account, which is the sample project, so it is only showing one project. But let us create a new project using the New Project button on the right-hand side. Once you have clicked on the New Project button, this screen will pop up where you are able to type in your new project information. This information includes the name of the project, the leader, what status this project has, the start and end date, and any comments you would like to add. When you click on the Next button, you are presented with a screen that allows you to activate and deactivate some of the features. Once that is completed, if there is a client, you may add them as well, along with their billing information. When you are all finished with setting up the project, it will prompt you to add members to the project. But don't worry if you didn't add all of your members when creating the project, because you are still able to add more members during the project. MyCollab is also able to show you the members on your team and their contact information. This can be very useful to project managers because you are able to see who is on the team and have immediate access to their contact information. It also is able to show when a member last logged in. Once you click on the project that you want to work in, you will be presented a page that looks similar to the homepage dashboard. This shows you an overview of one specific project. On the left-hand side, where the menu bar is, there is a list of tools that can be used for the project. One of them includes Messages, which allows you to be able to communicate with team members. Under Messages, in the menu bar is where you can see and create new phases for the project. On this page, it will show you the future phases, closed phases, and phases that are in progress for a project. When you click on a phase, it'll show you the phases details, which will give you in-depth detail about a specific phase. And as a member of the project, you are able to add in comments about the phases, which is very useful in project management because it allows easy communication between team members. If you click on the tickets icon on the menu bar, it will give you an extensive overview of all the tickets that need to be done. This is extremely useful because, as you can see, it displays priorities of all the tickets for a project, whether it is urgent or low in urgency. This screen shows the same exact data as the previous screen, but MyCollab has the Kanban feature, which is very useful for project managers because it displays all of the tickets in a more organized display. Similarly to Microsoft Project, MyCollab has the Gantt chart function. A con about this software is that MyCollab is not able to calculate slack time between tasks and the critical path of the project. Although it's still very useful, the chart is not as extensive as Microsoft Project, making tasks difficult to see on the chart. It does, however, list out all of the project tasks and milestones very nicely and shows the work breakdown structure extremely well. MyCollab also has the calendar view, which might be preferable to some individuals. Personally, I like this view because it's more extensive, color-coded, and easier to visualize. Summarizing everything that we went over in this video, we discussed the basics of how to use MyCollab and all of its functions that it provides, how it can be applied to project management, and some pros and cons about this software. Overall, I think that this is a great tool that any project manager can use for agile teams.